Hello boys and girls, welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are here in Brooklyn, New York, getting ready to go to Ohio. That's right, I just gassed up and now I have 380 miles or 480. Lost 100 miles there really quick to Ohio. So let's tuck in, let's get into it, and let's cruise. I'm gonna take you guys to Holland Tunnel, and after that we're gonna go elsewhere. It's gonna be a lot of highway today, unfortunately. That's what we're working with. That's what we're working with today, highway. All good. A lot of motorcycle riders today. It's a beautiful day for a nice tour. The bike feels good. Everything feels good. And yesterday I had a little snafu with the bike. I'm cleaning the chain, right, lubing it right before the trip, and my stupid quick lock on the chain is missing. It's broken in half, actually. Half of it is on there. Thank you. So I had to master rivet my chain yesterday really quick. So stupid. I don't like having weird things like that. Anyway, so it's 6:30. It's actually 6:45. I was gonna leave at 6, and then I had to get gas, so it's all good. Your car is big enough. What is this? It's for 2 cars, dude. Relax, no traffic, nice and chill. See, there's some popo ahead. Just kind of, you know, let him be. Wonder if I'm gonna get any sort of feedback. Doubt it. This is great. I should go out at 6 a.m. all the time. Fantastic. All right, mirrors are adjusted. We're good. Holland Tunnel, here we go. I didn't even do any stretching, which is not ideal. I should have done some. Gonna be all right. Beautiful morning. It's gonna be hot. Yesterday we had the craziest rain ever, like the most brutal rain. Holy shit, that was crazy. It was proper rain. Here we got some speed cameras, so we'll take it easy. Not exactly sure what this taxi's doing here, so we'll pass it. Holy shit, bro. That was a move. Fucking prick. That was a fucking move. It's all good. That's why we slow down and pay attention. Just want to get on the open road. This whole Manhattan thing is fun, but a little bit played out. JK, JK. I had 2 cups of coffee, no food. I'm trying to be light. I don't like to eat a lot before I ride like this. I'm also getting hot. I'm also wearing a thermal. I don't know why at the last second I decided I needed one. Well, it's 70 degrees right now, right? Where are we going here? Here we go. Let's see it. You? Nope, no hello. My guy is too busy not wearing gloves to say hello. Holland Tunnel. Very close. We got 466 miles. So I'm gonna burn down this whole gas tank, 149 miles. So we're gonna stop in 100 some miles probably. I'm really not excited about the highway aspect of it, but you know, what are you gonna do? Wish I had a windshield, eh? Nah, we don't need a windshield. I am getting warm though. Very warm. Everybody's going to Holland Tunnel, I'm guessing. Seems to be a hot ticket. It's a bus only lane, brother. And you're not a bus. You are not a bus. Maybe you are. Maybe you are a bus. Who knows? And here we are. Ducati, New York is right to the left over here. The headquarters. 2.2 miles. Blah blah blah. This and that. It's gonna be good. Sick. People racing to the tunnel. Very adorable. And here we are in the tunnel. Hi boys and girls. I'm gonna lock in, tuck in, make my way towards Ohio. Probably pick you up somewhere 200 miles away from this town. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.